Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very hard concept, object-oriented programming, OOP in Python. It is a way to model the real world using objects, like we're building blocks that has attributes and methods. So in Python, we created these things using a class. So you can think of a class is like a blueprint. An objective is a real thing made from a blueprint. So now we are building a game player system where each player has some attributes. So we have the class. Class is the keyword, and the player is the class name. So the class player, think of it as a player blueprint. So how to use this class? We created a object. So we have two players, P1 and P2. So we have player blueprint like a class. Then we use this class name, and then a string, a person's name. We created a player P1 whose name is Alex, player P2 whose name is Sam. So the player has some attributes. For example, the name, health score, and this is a score. So this player can attack other player, and other player will their health value will be decreased when the player is attacked by other player. And the status we show the health score and the score the player get. So just show some information. So now, because this is a introduction to the OOP programming, let's understand the big picture. So class player, think of it as a blueprint. Then we created two players. Each player is an object. The attribute the player has is name, health, score. The player can attack other player or lose some damages and show the healthy status and the score the player get. So now let's see here. We created two player. One is named Alex. So you see, this is the function. We need one parameter. That's the name. The health and the score have default value. So we only give a string past the name. So then player P1 Alex attacked. The player Alex attacked Sam. Then Sam take damage. So when the P1 call the function P1.attack, then P1 players Alex's score will be increased by 10. The initial value is 0. So when P1 take action attacked, Alex, the score value will be increased by 10. Then the player P2 will take damage. So take damage means the health value is decreased by 20. Then we see what's the status of player P1 Alex and P2 player Sam. Let's run the program. So we created two player, Alex and Sam. Then P1 Sam, you see Alex attacks P1 dot attack. Then Sam lost 20 health. We see the value is decreased by 20. Then what's the status of Alex? HP is the health value 100. Score is 10. Because Alex attacked Sam, his score is increased by 1. And what's the status of Sam? HP, the health value is decreased by 20 because Alex attacked Sam. Sam's health value is 80. Score value is 0. So we will talk about the details of each functions inside the class player. That's the end of this lecture. If you feel the video is helpful, please like the video. Thank you.